Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to get daily orders count in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see WC on hold, WC processing order status, completed order status include, and then scroll down you see order count for the current date. This order count include on hold order, processing order and completed order status. Now scroll down, you see insert method, shortcode selected, and then you see shortcode. Please save the snippet first. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created an update, and scroll down, you see shortcode. Now copy, go to page, now paste, and then click on update. Now page update done. On top you see view page, so open it. Now you see order count for the current date 1. So total count order for current date is 1, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.